textbook. Okay, we started a recording, so nobody's supposed to ask anything now. Take out your classwork note. Okay, Cyrus, have you completed the textbook exercises? Seasons, just the last page.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, good. It's okay, it's okay. You can't do...
Ma'am.
Okay, you cannot do all the activities in EVS, maths and English and all, because if we are together in a room only, we can do all that. From finding out with your friends, address or names and all that. Okay, so the activities you can't do. I'm telling in general. Now, take out, thank you, Cyrus, close your textbook. Take out your classwork note. Classwork. Take a new page. Everybody must get ready. John, get ready with your classwork note. Alan, show me your classwork note, new page. Rida, be ready. Yes, show me your classwork note, what you're going to write now. Take a new page. Show me that page.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Good. Good. Yes, Alan. Show me. Yeah. Write today's date in the margin. Today's date is 15/2. Let's go to the presentation now. Yes, good. You can write lesson 13 seasons. Leave a line, dictation words. Now, children.
Excuse me.
Dictation words means it can be any like spelling test, oral test. Who's that talking now? Who's that talking? Turn off your mic, everybody. Yes. John, take a new page. Every second I have to call John. John, show me the place where you're writing. Place.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I want to see. 1 minute. What are you writing 1 to 7? John, put your book down. Where is the... Tell me the new page. Show me the new page. Something and all, it is written 6, 7 and all. What is it? Did you write the previous lesson, John? You did not write. What is that 6 and 7 written?
Good morning, ma'am.
Which lesson? Tell me the last word. Show me that last thing you wrote in your classwork note. Show me. John, hurry up. John, show me the notebook where you have written the previous answers or whatever it is. See, showing the 10. John, I want to see the written work in your classwork. Somebody who's next to him, please help him out. Show me the work, what you have written. What is that 1, 2, 3, 4 dictation words? For which lesson?
For the season.
Why can't you say, Ma John? Little more fast you have to say, and you have written why you're getting scared now. You have to tell. Now, I told you to write lesson 13 seasons. Leave a line, dictation. Before that itself, you finish writing. Now, I can't help. Now, listen to this. Listen to this. Lesson 13 seasons. Leave a line, dictation words. Now, children, it's better to leave one line and write 1 to 7 numbers. Somebody's talking all the time. John, turn off your mic. Kushagra, turn off your mic. Okay, start writing. John, now you can't do anything. I told you, erase the numbers and leave one line and write. I told you not to write anything before I could tell you. I just want you to listen. Simply what you want, you don't write. Yes. Leave one. Alvin, show me your notebook, Alvin. Show me your notebook. Let me see whether it's right. Show me. Just show me. Write today's date, 15/2. Show. Again, he went off. Alan, are you leaving one line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, leave. Only after learning the words, First one, seasons. Weather, second one, weather. Listen carefully. Cloudy, summer, winter, monsoon, spring. You have to learn the spellings of all these words. You have to write in cursive. Now in your classwork now. I'm going to start with Adonia. Yes, not there. I don't know. Akshara, yes. Akshara. Read. Who's this?
Akshara.
Akshara, read all the words. Looking at the screen.
Season, weather,
Cloudy,
summer,
winter,
monsoon,
spring. Very good. Next one. By the time other children must complete. For that, I am making these children read. Effie, read all the words. Effie,
okay, ma'am.
read.
Seasons. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Seasons, weather,
Cloudy,
winter, monsoon,
spring. It's breaking. Okay.
cloudy.
Summer,
Okay, ma'am. Summer, winter,
Yeah.
monsoon, spring.
Very good. Next one, Fatima Mariam. Fatima. Joshika Mary. Fatima, you have to attend the class, Fatima. You are entering the class, must be you are doing all that, but you have to answer. Fatima is not there. Joshika, start.
Yes, ma'am.
Joshika, start.
Seasons,
Weather,
cloudy,
summer,
winter, monsoon, spring.
Kanira. Yes. Read all the words.
Seasons, weather, cloudy, summer, winter, monsoon, spring.
Very good. Kailina, read soon. Kailina, read. Not there. Season,
Weather,
cloudy.
summer, winter, monsoon, spring.
Yes, if you know the words and if you can recognize all the letters, you are reading loud. Very good. Mishti, please read. Mishti, fast. Mishti, read first. We'll have to go to the next one. Read fast, Mishti. Seasons. Mishti is not there. Mitra. Okay, what happened? I don't know. Okay, now, let me see. My God. Let me see. All of you turn off your mic. Now, have you written all these words, Alan?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we are going to the next one. Okay, next words. Now, please write it continuously. If no space on the same page, you have to go to the next page. Now, Akshara, what are you doing now? I gave you enough time to write. I'm going to the next page. If you haven't written, you just leave that and go to the next page. I made everybody read. Now, next page. Write 8 to 15 numbers. I'm going to make next.
Ma'am, can you show the fifth one?
Can't see the
Fifth one.
I just want to know.
Fifth one.
Who's that?
Jeff.
Jeff, you just leave 5, 6, 7 and write this one. Because I gave enough time, I made everybody read. We'll go back to that. Akshara, What are you writing, Akshara? Which word?
8th one, ma'am.
Okay, right. Ma'am will go back to that after giving 15 words. Joshika, did you complete 7 words?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jeff, you just wait. Okay, you can do the next one. You just leave 5, 6, 7 because you have to be a little more fast. Then we'll come back. Okay, Rida, did you complete 7?
Yes, ma'am.
John, what about you? Did you complete 7?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, continue. Next one. Now, 8th one. Autumn. Just listen to me. 8th one is autumn. Woolen. Everybody will make mistake. Spell W-O-O-L, wool. One more L. Many will write only one L. There are 2 small L. W-O-O-L-L-E-N. Woolen. Okay. Now I'm going to start with Abhisha. Now 1 minute. Let me read first. Okay. Abhisha, just wait. Let me read that first. Autumn, woolen, protect, heaters, coldest, pleasant, bloom, puddles. Again, autumn, woolen, protect, heaters, coldest. Heaters means room heaters, okay. Pleasant, bloom, puddles. Now I want Abhisha read that. Read from 8 to 15 words. Other children must write by the time. Other children must write when these children read all these words. Abhisha, not there. Akshaya E. Children, don't worry about the words. Ma'am will help you. Tell me who's this?
Akshaya.
Akshaya, good. How are you, Akshaya?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, attend classes regularly. Okay. Start, Akshaya. Autumn.
Autumn, woolen, protect,
Very good. Heater.
heater, cold,
Pleasant.
pleasant, bloom,
Puddles. Puddles.
puddle.
Very good. Now, Akshita. Akshita MP. Read all the words. Good, good, Akshaya. How are you? I'm very happy you're attending the classes. Very good, Akshita. Read, Akshita, from 8 to 15 words. Autumn.
Autumn,
Not autumn.
woolen,
Autumn. Okay, woolen. Now,
product,
protect. Protect. Say after ma'am. Protect. Protect. Say.
protect,
Yes. Heaters.
heater,
Next.
oldest,
Coldest. Next.
oldest,
Pleasant.
pleasant,
Next.
bloom,
Bloom. Bloom.
Bloom.
Flowers bloom. Very good. Puddles.
puddles,
You have to read all these words after writing in your classwork. Okay. Next one. Aratrika. Okay,
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Now, children, I will wait for you. Write neatly.
Yes, ma'am.
Aratrika. Read Aratrika.
Autumn, woolen, protect, heaters, coldest, pleasant, bloom, puddle.
Very good. Evelyn Zara. Evelyn. When I call
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
give me a mic. Evelyn, how are you, Evelyn?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Very good. Look after your health. Now start reading from 8 to 15 words. Autumn.
Autumn, woolen,
Protect.
protect,
Heaters.
heaters,
Coldest.
What, ma'am?
Pleasant,
Pleasant,
blue.
blue,
Read what? Puddles. Puddles. Now get here. Read.
Yes, ma'am.
10 of you. 10 children must read.
Autumn woolen protect heaters, coldest, pleasant, bloom puddles.
Next one is very good. Israelina, read.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Autumn,
Woolen.
protect,
Woolen.
heaters, colds, coldest,
No. Coldest.
coldest,
Yeah. Pleasant.
pleasant, bloom,
Puddles. Puddles.
muddles,
Not ma. P. Puddles.
pedals,
Yeah. Plain water. Now next one is Jemima. Jemima, read. Jemima, read. Jemima not there. Juan, read. Okay, sorry. Jemima, read. Yeah. Autumn. Jemima, are you going to read? Loud.
Jeshu, ma'am.
Jemima's not there. Okay, Juan, read. Juan,
Ma'am,
read.
autumn
Yeah.
protect heaters, coldest, pleasant, bloom
Blow
puddles.
puddles. Turn off your mic. Children, when you finish, turn off your mic because that disturbs us. Okay, now let me see. Let me see now. Israelina, turn off your mic. Ritik, did you complete, Ritik? No. Right story. Did you complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you read the words from 8 to 15 from your notebook? Yeah.
Autumn, woolen, protect, heaters, coldest, pleasant, bloom, puddles.
Very good. Now listen, Akshara, just now you got up and you're going on yawning to sleep. Okay, don't do it. Joshika, read. I want everybody to complete when Joshika finishes her reading 15th word. Okay, good children. Come on, Joshika, read. Autumn.
Ma'am,
Yes.
எடுக்கிறதுக்குள்ள
What
வெளியே
happened, Joshika?
மேம்
Yes.
நான் எடுக்கிறதுக்குள்ள வெளியே
What happened, Joshika? Joshika, something happened to the mic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, never mind. Don't worry about it. Now, Alan, please read. I'm just seeing you all on the screen and making you read now. Before that, I was giving you marks. Okay, Alan, read. Alan, read.
Yes, ma'am. Autumn, woolen, protect, heaters, coldest, pleasant, bloom, puddles.
Very good, Alan.
Thank
Good. Now we'll go to the next one. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Okay. Jeshu, why are you coming in between and turning on your mic? Okay. Now I'll show the next one. We'll see what we have to do. Okay, good children. Hope now, Jeff. 1 minute, Jeff. Jeff, just check all the words. Everybody check. All the 7 words check. Others don't say anything. Jeff, complete winter, monsoon, spring.
Finish writing, ma'am. Finish writing.
Yes, Jeff, when you finish, you must tell me because you
Yes,
wanted-
ma'am.
Okay. Did you finish? Winter, monsoon, spring. Yes. Everybody, all of you must check your spellings because ma'am won't be able to correct your notebooks. Seasons. If you have left any letter, hurry up, hurry up. All can check, not only Jeff. Many will be there without writing. Don't go to the recording, you can do now itself. Yes, can I go to the next one, Jeff? Jeff, you have to be a little bit fast. Other children are waiting.
So, ma'am. Finish.
Okay. Now, all of you check the spelling of 8 to 15. Check woolen, protect, autumn. See whether all the letters are there. Heaters, coldest, pleasant, bloom, puddles. Let me see you all now. Everybody finish checking?
Yes, ma'am.
John. Okay, good, good.
Yes,
Turn off your mic. Turn off your mic. Then only I'll go to next.
Yes, ma'am.
Turn off your mic. Jeshu, get ready. Next one, I'll make you read, okay? Jeshu wanted to read. Now, oh, very good. 20 words. I think 20 words you can learn. 2 days are there. Children, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And this may come for spelling test, oral test, missing letters. Okay, air conditioner. Coolers, air coolers. When it's very hot, you will use coolers, air conditioners, raincoat, umbrella, rainbow, coolers, air conditioners, raincoat, umbrella, rainbow. Now, Jeshu wanted to read. Jeshu. Jeshu. Read, Jeshu. Read all these words.
Cooler,
Air conditioners.
air conditioners,
Yeah. Raincoat.
raincoat,
Umbrella.
umbrella,
Rainbow. Now
rainbow,
read once again. Now you read after ma'am. Now you read by yourself.
cooler,
Good. Next word.
air condition,
Next. Rain.
raincoat,
Raincoat. Next. Umbrella. Umbrella, even first standard children will read. Come on, read. Every
umbrella,
day you have to read. Umbrella, whatever you write. Umbrella.
umbrella,
Rainbow.
rainbow,
Now next one is Mano. Mano, read.
Ma'am,
Read, Mano.
clothes,
Not coolers.
coolers, air conditioner,
Air conditioners. Air conditioners.
raincoat, umbrella, rainbow.
Yeah, good, but you have to pronounce properly. Coolers, air conditioners, raincoat, umbrella, rainbow. Mukhil and Mukhil.
Ma'am,
Read, Mukhil. Coolers.
coolers, air conditioners,
Yeah,
raincoat, umbrella, rainbow.
very good. Now, Mukhilam finish. Mukhil. Punet. Punet. What about Mohammed Faizan?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's it? Who's this? Mohammed Faizan. Okay, I'll have to go back and see. Now, children,
Yes, ma'am.
when you do not answer, when you do not read, you will not mark. Read all these words. Mohammed Faizan, coolers. See that? Punit is not there. Punit. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is the seventh one?
No, now do not ask Rahil. Many times I showed you. Don't say now. Effie, tell me the seventh word. Effie. Very bad.
Yes, ma'am.
Seventh word, you tell me.
Word is spring.
Spring. S-P. Come on, write Rahil. S-P-R-I-N-G. Parents also must listen. When these children do not answer, do not read, they won't get internal marks. Because I am helping them to read. Just now, Muhammad Faisal just said yes, ma'am, and he left. So he won't be getting any mark. He has to read. Okay, Rahil. Thank you, Effie. Now, everybody completed that. Now, I will ask Ritun, read all the words, Ritun.
Ma'am.
Read all the words from 16 to 20.
Rainbow.
Rainbow. 16th one is what? Look at the screen. Coolers.
Coolers.
Read. That's all. What? I don't know.
Ma'am, air conditioner.
I just want. What is the second one? Air conditioners.
Ma'am, air conditioner.
Ma'am is reading. You have to listen, Ritun. Air conditioners. Next word, Ritun. Rita, can you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Sehan, read Sehan.
Coolers. Air conditioner. Air
Conditioners.
conditioner.
Yeah,
Raincoat. Umbrella. Rainbow.
very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. See how these children are trying. Okay, Sehan. No. Sharon Pranav,
Yes, ma'am.
read all the words on this, from the screen. Coolers.
Cooler. Air conditioners. Raincoat.
Good.
Umbrella. Rainbow.
Very good. See, all these words you must have seen in first standard. We finished reading in the textbook. Read your textbook. Nobody is there to tell you, read your textbook, read your textbook. When you read your textbook and when you learn the words given in your class book, not you will know better. Now I want Sujin to read. Sujin, read.
Ma'am, he's in the washroom, ma'am. 2 minutes.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay, let it be. Tarush, read Tarush. Yes, Tarush. Read. Coolers.
Air conditioners.
Yes,
Raincoat.
yes. Umbrella, rainbow. Very good. Okay, children. Now you finish. Coolers, air conditioners, raincoat, umbrella, rainbow, without saying man red. Okay. So, Rakil, please pay attention. Don't play. Okay. Now, everybody must have finished this. Now, every day you have to learn. Listen carefully. 5 words. So after 1 week, you must be ready with all these words, 20 words. Lesson, 13 seasons, 20 words you have to learn within 1 week. Ma'am will give you oral test. Okay, it can be speaking or whatever it is, oral test ma'am will give you. You have to learn. Is it clear? Kanira, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
What should you do? Tell me.